All right, guys, so that's the tree that's coming down. We got to get it down through here. All right. Pull! It's falling! And there you have it, guys. They did it. So that's what's killing it.